Welcome learners to Form 3 Mathematics. We are looking at equation of a circle. It was tested in KCSE in 2016. The question is, a circle whose equation is x minus 1 squared plus y minus k squared is equals to 10 passes through the point 25. Find the coordinates of the two possible centers of the circle. So learner, for us to be able to work out this problem, we need to do some review here. We need to remember that the general equation of a circle is this: x minus a squared plus what? Plus y minus b squared is equals to r squared. We need to remember this equation of a circle. So learner, in this case, A and B, these ones normally refer to the coordinates of the center. A and B refer to the coordinates of the center. X and Y, learner, X and Y, they refer to the point through which the circle is passing through. The point through which the circle passes through, or through which the circle passes. So learner, if we come to our equation here, we write that x minus 1 squared plus y minus k squared, is equals to 10. We are told that this circle passes through point 25. So our 2 is our x, therefore, and y, and 5 is our y. So we come and fix them here. Our x is 2, so 2 minus 1 squared, plus our y is 5, so 5 minus k squared, learner, gives us 10. You work out these 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 squared gives us 1 squared there. Then you remove this bracket, you expand this. You can either remove the brackets completely, or you can use the formula a minus b squared, learner. We know this identity. So we talk of this squared is 25 minus, this would give you 2 times this times this. 2 times this is 10 times this is minus 10k plus k squared. You can go and practice on how to remove that bracket. So gives us 10. And so learner, 1 squared is 1 plus 25 minus 10k plus k squared is equals to 10. So bringing this together, we get 26 minus 10k k plus k squared minus 10. Bringing this to this side is equals to 0. Then we talk of k squared. You can start with k squared minus 10k, learner, plus what? 26 minus 10 gives you 16. Is equals to 0. And therefore we end up with what? We end up with a quadratic equation that we solve to get our k. So what is the product of this, learner? We know that the product normally refers to that constant there, and the sum refers to the coefficient of x, so minus 10. So which are these two numbers that you add to get minus 10 and you multiply to get 16? The numbers are 2 and negative 8. 2 plus minus 8 gives you that. Minus 2 times minus 8 gives you 16. So these numbers are correct. So you come and substitute them there. So we talk of k squared minus what? 2, and you fix your k, minus 8, and you fix your k, plus 16 is equals to 0, So factorize this. So this is k in brackets, k minus 2, minus, factor out this. What do you factor out? 8. You are left with what, learner? K minus 2 gives you 0. And therefore, learner, this bracket and these are the same. So you factor it out. So there we have that. Then you remain with k minus 8 is equals to 0. So learn, we know that either this first bracket is equals to 0 or the second is equals to 0. And so your k is 2, and so the k can be 8. So you are told to find the center, learner. What is the center? The two possible centers. The two possible centers of our circle are what? Look at this, learner. Our A is this one. We said that the coordinates of the center are AB, and therefore our A here is 1 and our B is K. So we say that our center therefore was 1 at the beginning, followed by K, which is our B. And so now that we have our K, learner, now that we have our K, the two possible centers therefore are 1 with 2 or 1 with 8. These are the two possible centers of our circle. So learner, go through this problem slowly as you internalize the concept. Go and practice. God bless you.